So, let's get started. Welcome to Zimi Studio. Open Filmora Video Editor. Import the animate background. Now import the transparent video or image. Drag and drop the animated background into the timeline. Extend the clip first, now arrange the video by stretching. After it is done, drag and drop the transparent image above the background. Arrange the image position first. After then double-click on the image. Now go to the Motion tab and add any motion to the image you like. In this video, I am adding from the right animation to the image. After selection of motion, double-click on it. Then click OK. Play a video, you will see the motion is added to the image. Now stretch the image exactly to the video, so the image appears on the complete video. You can change the image position from here also. Click on the image and set it accordingly. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.